In the modern world, customers expect quick and seamless loan application process, but the traditional methods are often tiring and cumbersome. Financial institutions these days aim for quick integrations with the customers and providing the customers with a beneficial and easy way to interact with the customers. At GrowStacks, we have addressed this challenge using a AI-powered voice assistant. I'm Isha, and in today's video, I'll be demonstrating you how we created this agent and how it performs. The demand for quick and financial services are growing. So Priya is here to assist you with the journey throughout the loan process and approval and collecting the important details that we need to give a loan so that you are better understood and provide a better customer experience. So let's jump into a quick overview on NA10. So this is NA10, and in this is the workflow, that is the first workflow, that is the finance growth tax agents, that is outbound call from Vapi that we have created. And firstly, it searches records from our Airtable and creates the call. I'll also show you the Airtable where the whole database is managed. So this is the database, that is the finance agent database, which have the fields like name, customer ID, phone number, loan type, loan amount, loan status, and the other fields that we have here. So outstanding amount, EMI amount, all these fields are being collected from the caller on the call and imported here and updated. So everything is collected inside the call and updated in this database. Now jumping back to our scenario or workflow, you can see that I've added a manual trigger. So whenever I will manually trigger this workflow, it will search my record and it will create a call. Before that, in the database, I have just added Isha. I have added my customer ID. I have added the phone number and I have added this database information. Also, after the call has happened, it will get the after end call summary and it will update my status as new from the starting. It will change it to closed, overdue or active, whatever the current status is based on the call and the call reports. Now coming back to our workflow, I will just show you the lead that I created should receive a call. So I will just execute the workflow and I should receive a call, and you can see I am receiving a call. So I will just pick it up and talk to you in speakerphone.
Hi, I'm Tia from GrowStack Financial Services. Am I talking to Isha?
Yes, you are.
Isha, I'm here to help you with your loan inquiry. आपको लोन किस पर्पस के लिए चाहिए? होम, पर्सनल एक्सपेंसेस या बिजनेस के लिए?
I want it for gold.
गोल्ड इंटरेस्ट वाला लोन. कितना अमाउंट चाहिए लोन के लिए?
2 lakhs.
ठीक है, 2 लाख का लोन चाहिए लिख के. आप क्या काम करते हैं? नौकरी, व्यवसाय या कोई और प्रोफेशन?
IT में जॉब है मेरी.
आईटी जॉब करते हैं. आपकी मंथली सैलरी कितनी है?
मेरी 50,000.
आपकी मंथली सैलरी जो है, आप पे कोई और लोन या ईएमआई है?
नहीं.
बहुत अच्छा, कोई और लोन नहीं है. ये लोन के लिए आपका गोल्ड इंटरेस्ट रेट प्रेफरेंस है और आप 20 लाख का लोन देंगे. क्या इसके लिए अर्जेंट रिक्वायरमेंट है या जब समय मिले अप्लाई कर?
जब मुझे समय मिलेगा मैं तब अप्लाई करूंगी.
मिल गई. जब भी आपको समय मिले आप अप्लाई कर सकती हैं. जरूरी डॉक्यूमेंट जैसे आईडी प्रूफ, एड्रेस, सैलरी स्लिप और बैंक स्टेटमेंट रेडी है ना?
जी, सब रेडी है.
आपके डॉक्यूमेंट रेडी है. अब मैं आपको एक सिंपल एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भेज रही हूँ व्हाट्सएप के जरिए. उसे भर के डॉक्यूमेंट अपलोड करना है और हमारा टीम जल्दी प्रोसेस करेगा. अप्रूवल 24 घंटे में और फंड 3-5 दिन में आपके अकाउंट पे आ जाएंगे. क्या आप 24 आवर्स में अप्लाई कर पाएंगे?
जी, मैं कर सकती हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा, धन्यवाद ईशा. मैं आपकी एप्लीकेशन पर्सनली ट्रैक करूंगी. आपकी जल्द से जल्द अप्रूव हो जाए. वॉच आउट फॉर माय व्हाट्सएप मैसेज इन द नेक्स्ट hour. आपकी जीत के लिए शुभकामनाएं. Have a wonderful day.
Okay. So that was a quick demo of how the agent works and how it talks and behaves. And this is the basically outbound call that we are creating using Vapi, and to the person that we are importing it as a lead. So this lead, after the call, it will be changed. As you can see, the status of the column has been changed to contacted. Now coming back to our workflows, I'll just jump on to the second workflow and show you how it works. So when the call is ended, we are messaging the GPT, analyzing those fields, and if the record is in the existing users, we are updating those existing users, and if the record is not an existing users, we are updating the user that in the new leads. So we are just searching inside the existing users or existing customers field and then updating the lead in the notes column. So in the notes column, we are, as you can see here, Isha wants to apply for the gold loan of 2 lakhs for purchasing a Jeep with a steady income of 50,000 and no existing loans. So basically what it does is it will create a summary of my whole call and update it inside the notes field. So you can see that this is the particular NA10 workflow that is used to create those summary. That's the particular agent that is used for outbound calling. Now I will shift to the inbound calling assistant that we created. And I'll also show you a demo call with it. So this is the finance loan agent that is inbound. I'll just go click on talk to assistant.
Hello, Groverstax Loan Agency. This is Priya speaking. What can I do for you today?
Hi Priya, I'm looking for a loan.
Great. What type of loan are you looking for? Personal, home, business or vehicle?
Business?
Great. Business लोन के लिए कितनी अमाउंट चाहिए आपको?
I need 2 lakhs.
2 लाख का लोन लेने के लिए आपकी मंथली इनकम कितनी है?
50,000.
To confirm, do you need 2 lakh or 5 lakh for the business loan?
I need 2 lakhs.
Perfect. For a business loan of 2 lakh, could you please let me know your monthly income?
So it's 50,000 rupees.
Great. Are you salaried or self-employed?
I am salaried.
Perfect. How many years of experience do you have?
I have 2 years of experience.
Great. Do you know your current CIBIL score?
No, but I'll let you know once I know.
No problem. What loan tenure would you prefer? How many years you think?
4 to 5.
Thank you. Based on your profile, we estimate that you're eligible for a loan of up to 200,000 at an interest rate of 12%. Would you like to proceed with the application?
Yes.
Perfect. To proceed with the application, may I please have your full name and registered mobile number?
Yes, it's Isha Malik and my registered mobile number is
Perfect. I have your information verified. You are eligible for a business loan of 2 lakh. We'll proceed with the application shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with regarding
No.
your loan requirement?
No, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding your loan requirements today?
No requirements as such.
Perfect. Thank you so much for calling your loan agency name then today. Have a good day.
Okay. So this was the whole working of the inbound agent. So what it does firstly is it will check the database inside this finance agent that we have created the database. It will check inside the existing customers. So if it already is an existing customer, it will gather the details of that customer and it will act according to those details inside the prompt or inside the call. And similarly, in the outbound call, it will also update the information collected in the inbound call as well inside the database. So as you can see here, with a tenure of 4 to 5 years, I have requested a business loan of 2 lakhs with a preferred tenure. So we are just updating the notes field so that we look at the existing customer and we understand what purpose was the customer requesting the loan for. And the notes field is updated. And that is the whole working of the AI agent for the inbound calling of the loan and for the outbound calling of the loan. I'll also show you some of the major use cases that are required and that this fulfills. So Priya isn't just a loan agent, it is also applicable for various purposes inside the banking sector. Banking and financial institutions, individuals looking for a loan, or be it a small business owner or a banking financial big institution. All these sectors are the ones that our AI agent can fulfill. It is also beneficial for multilingual users as it can switch between Hindi, English and Hinglish. So it can cater to the customers with the help of easy language and better communication.